Just heading into the barbecue site to do a review of my new blowtorch lighter. We was up here last week and it absolutely poured down. Absolutely wouldn't stop raining, got soaked. Right, that video will be coming up, so you have to look out for that one. And then get a review of this lighter. I've got a new knife, but I can't remember if I've packed it. So this was an impromptu going out. I thought I've got a few hours, let's go out and enjoy the afternoon, so it's so nice. Right, this is how we get in to the barbecue site. Only coming out for a little bit. Just want to get this review done, and then I'm going to try and light my kettle with that lighter. I've got another Turboflame, but it failed on the last time I used it to light my kettle. This one can lock as well. You can lock it off so it stays on Turboflame without having to hold the trigger. Right, the barbecue site is just ahead. Back to you when I'm there. Right, this is barbecue site. It's not easy to see, but there is a barbecue there. Right, here's the barbecue. Just lives in the woods. Got another video of us barbecuing on that. I'll put a little clip in and show you it. Got the steaks, sausages, corn and burgers.
And this is where it's at.
Right, this is a review of the Turboflame military mini blowtorch. This is the actual lighter in its packet. I've already opened this, but I've put it back in for the review. Let's try and get some focus on it. It's a Turboflame military mini blowtorch. I hope the camera can pick this up for you to read. Right, let's take it out of its packet. So you get the lighter. It doesn't come with any fuel in it, and it's set to the minimum setting on the base. So I found after fueling it I couldn't get it to light, so I've turned it up until I could get it to light, and I've adjusted it. I think that's quite normal though. You get this card with it. I'm not going to read through it, but I mean, it's a lighter, come on, we don't need to be reading all this, do we? You get a warranty and instructions. Talks about the lock, because it does lock as well. Right, let's get into it. Right, you get this cap, which we'll just pull off. It's just rubber, probably just to stop crap getting into the actual jet area. I don't even know if you can see it in this light. It's a blowtorch basically, and there's the lock, so now it's locked on. Right, I'm going to try and light my Kelly kettle with it, and we'll see how that goes without any fuel, obviously, just little twigs. And we'll do that at another site. I'm going to walk over to my other site, so we'll have to get over there. It's about half a mile from here, so we're going to get onto that, and then we'll finish this review off on this lighter and see how it works when it lights. Just to give you a comparison, Turboflame make a few different lighters. There's this one, this is the military mini blowtorch. Then you've got this one, this is the dual Turboflame lighter. It's got 2 jets. And this one just doesn't, it's just intermittent. This is why I bought the other one. It'll work, then it'll stop. That's why I've bought another lighter. Well, there you go, that's the 2. So we'll see how they fare. This one I've camouflaged. It was green like this one when I got it. Alright, I'll get back to you in a bit. Alright, I'm going to leave the barbecue camp now and head off down to the base camp. This is just a small clump of trees. Yeah, it's that tree line there. That's where I'm headed. Headed over towards that corner in there. This big old tree has fallen over. Well, just coming into the camp. Let's see if it's been disturbed or if it's how we left it. So far, it looks how we left it. Yeah. Can't see anything out of place. Grass has grown, but you do expect that. Yeah, this is how we left it. Right, let's see if we get some sticks together and get this lighter going and see what we can get going, eh? I've got the twigs into the fire base. There's no other fuels in there, no fluids, no Vaseline. There's no cotton wool. And there's our lighter. Let's give it a test. We'll put it on lock as well. Let's get our chimney on. You're already smoking. Whenever I do a test like this, I've never practiced it. This is the first original time I'm trying this. I think that's good. try and get you in there so you can see how much flame we've got. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Bit of a success. I didn't expect anything less. Right, see how hot it is to touch. It's warm. You can grip it. I think it's best to let it cool down a bit though before you put that cap back on it. Yeah, what a successful lighter. Mini blowtorch, I should say. I'm not going to put any more fuel in it. I don't think I need to. I think that's enough in there from what I started with. You can see why it's called a volcano stove as well as a caddy kettle. I come out to do all these reviews, I just end up reviewing the caddy kettle constantly. It's just the best thing I've ever bought. In America, I think volcano kettle's another name. I don't know if you also notice, when this is running hot, it doesn't smoke. I'll try and get above that, and you'll see, it's dead clean. They don't smoke when they're efficiently hot. It burns, because of the chimney, it burns all the wood gas. So all the smoke doesn't actually exist because it's been burnt. You can just see some smoke that's out in the oxygen down here. And that's getting sucked up the chimney. I'm just going to turn this so it's easier to get it off. Rolling boil and the wood's just about to finish. Right, let's remove it. And just clean this cup out. Okay, so let's sit in it. Cheers, successful. Excellent lighter, I recommend it. It's good, you can solder with it, you can do all sorts with it, and it's a lighter, so it's a fantastic bit of kit. Always have something like this in your kit. Till next time.